most challenging things I faced was being bullied, isolated, and rejected by my non-disabled peers. How to be an influence to people with disabilities. This is a pamphlet that I made a few months after I graduated from high school. And this is a pamphlet that I made that started my career. I'm going to show you the 10 steps, and I'm going to read my favorite passage. Number 9, be sure to spend time with them outside of school. Invite them to come over for a plate or for a party. Try inviting them to spend time with you in a group of friends to the park, movies, bowling, mini golf, library, or the museum. When Timmy's mom asked him a question, he does not answer her. He is more focused on playing with his toy race car and superhero. Miss Bethany previously taught the class that children with autism may have sensory sensitivities, and sometimes activities must be planned to be sensory friendly. Social isolation means when someone struggles to fit in with other people, which means that they often face loneliness. It is never okay to exclude someone because they have a disability. I have mental disabilities. I had ADHD, autism, autonomic processing disorder, and a tic disorder. HD made it harder for me to learn.
This young adult from Millstone Township is on a mission to promote inclusion. Timothy Rohrer has autism. Here he's holding a poster of a children's guide seen worldwide. It's called How to Be a Good Influence to People with Disabilities. It has 10 simple tips that teach children how to include their peers.